Before making tangram numbers, let us know what a tangram is. A tangram is an ancient Chinese puzzle made of 7 pieces called tan. The 7 tangram pieces are 2 large triangles, 2 small triangles, 1 medium triangle, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. So, let's start. For 0, take a large triangle, a parallelogram, a square, another large triangle, 2 small triangles and 1 medium triangle. Your 0 is ready. For 1, you will need a large triangle, a small triangle, a medium triangle, a parallelogram, another large triangle, a square, and another small triangle. Your 1 is ready. For 2, you will need a square, a large triangle, a small triangle, a parallelogram, another large triangle, a small triangle, and a medium triangle. 2 is ready. For 3, take a large triangle, another large triangle, a square, a small triangle, a medium triangle, another small triangle, and a parallelogram. 3 is ready. For number 4, you will need a large triangle, a small triangle, a square, a medium triangle, another large triangle, another small triangle, and a parallelogram. 4 is ready. For 5, you will need a large triangle, a square, a small triangle, a medium triangle, another small triangle, another large triangle and a parallelogram. 5 is ready. For 6, take a large triangle, a square, another large triangle, a small triangle, a medium triangle, another small triangle and a parallelogram. 6 is ready. For 7, you will need a large triangle, a parallelogram, a small triangle, a medium triangle, another large triangle, another small triangle, a square. 7 is ready. For 8, you will need 2 large triangles, a square, a parallelogram, a small triangle, another small triangle, and a medium triangle. 8 is ready. For 9, take a large triangle, a small triangle, a medium triangle, another small triangle, another large triangle, a square, and a parallelogram. 9 is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.